Good evening, everyone. Now, see another case of the same problem. What he said in this is replace the concave mirror by a convex mirror, and then, as usual, and the convex mirror is also having the same focal length, that is 10 centimeter. And again, he is asking now, please find the coordinates of the image formed by convex mirror. So, now let us redraw this diagram. Again, as it is a single reflection, so I would like to eliminate this plane mirror straight away. So I am redrawing the diagram by replacing convex mirror with a concave mirror with a convex mirror. Okay, so as previously assumed, this is x-axis, and here this is y-axis, and our convex mirror now is here. So silvering in the inner line shows that this is a convex mirror, and you can even say this line also exists according to the diagram. So say this is again 20 centimeter as at the same position, f is equals to 10 centimeter, and then this distance is also they have given 10 centimeter, and object at origin. So this is the question now. So we require the image coordinates, and that too formed by this convex mirror exclusively. So I would like to extend this dotted line a bit more up, so showing this one as your principal axis. And please see here, try to improvise your imagination skills in this problem. So I would like to show the object O as extended object situated on the principal axis at this point, such that its head is at origin. Head of the extended object is at the origin. See, like this. So now you imagine this diagram. So that imagined diagram will be like this. I would like to draw the same imagination diagram as just I'm rotating the entire diagram 90 degrees clockwise. So right side I'm just what you call rotating the same figure, entire figure. So it looks like this one now. See here, if I'm rotating this one, so this is your y-axis, and this one will be your x-axis. As I rotated the image, so this is x-axis and this is y-axis. And now convex mirror is situated over here, right? So say this is your now. Okay, I would like to draw a bit more bigger this one. So see here, so that you can easily understand the diagram. So this is your convex mirror now. Okay, and then what did I say? There is a principal axis also here. This is your principal axis, and this is your pole, and they have given this one as 20 centimeter, and convex mirror focal length is 10 centimeter. And what did I say? Object head is exactly at origin. So your imagination is now this one. So I asked you to imagine the diagram in this way. So if you could imagine this diagram like this, so this is an extended object situated in front of a convex mirror other than infinity. So where you can expect the image can be formed, it will be formed behind the convex mirror, that is a virtual, and it will be erect image, and also will be a diminished image. So let me draw that one also straight away, imagining that the image is going to present over here. So I'm just imagining. So this point is as usual. So this is your original image, right? Because head, see, head I assumed as at O. So therefore head of the image will be this one. So this is now I, image I. And this coordinate we require x comma y. And now see, this distance is 10 centimeter, right? Means indirectly they have given you height of the object based on this assumption 10 centimeter, and this one will be now height of the image hi. So let us calculate the required things. So this is your image distance v. So using mirror formula and taking the help of sign convention, as this is a convex mirror, so if I take mirror formula, so using mirror formula and the sign convention is applied for the given values. So u is equals to minus 20 centimeter and focal length f is equal to positive for convex, so plus 10 centimeter. I require v, so therefore 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So substituting the values, 1 by 10 minus into minus plus 1 by 20. So where you will get the LCM as 20. So 2 plus 1, which is 3. So you will get image distance v is equals to 20 by 3 centimeter. So this is a positive one, means which is present behind the mirror, that is virtual image. So already we have considered the same thing. So this is how much enough according to our given value, obtained value 20 by 3. So now let us use the help of magnification. So m is equals to hi by ho is equals to minus v by u. So hi we require and ho from our imagination it is 10, and minus v value how much we got, 20 by 3 whole upon u, taking the help of sign convention, minus 20. So minus minus cancel, 20 20 cancel. So you will get height of the image as 10 by 3 centimeter. So you got the required values. So now this is how much, 10 by 3 centimeter. So now let us find out the coordinates of this one. Okay, this is your image now. So how can we find out the coordinates? So therefore coordinates of image. Therefore coordinates of image be given as x comma y. So now see here the same diagram. Now assume it is rotated anti-clockwise 90 degrees. So you will be having the image in this way, right? So see this one. So this is only your image. So this is I. So I would like to extend your y-axis a bit more up so that it will be easy for me. So I extended the y-axis a bit up. So now see here, we require this point I. So take another color to visualize the things here. So how much we got this value? See here, image distance also we got it, right? Some value. How much image distance we got? This one, 20 by 3 centimeter. And this value we got 10 by 3 centimeter. So now visualize with one more color. See here, this is the coordinate of the image. So this is at a distance. See this dotted line. The point is at a distance from x-axis. At a distance how much? 20 plus 20 by 3. See, I would like to write in this way now. So this is how much? 20 plus 20 by 3. And now this is at this distance from y-axis. So whole distance is 10. Out of this 10 by 3 gone. So this is nothing but 10 minus 10 by 3. So therefore from the figure directly we can assume that x value we got it as 10 minus 10 by 3, which is 20 by 3 centimeter, and y value we got it as 20 plus 20 by 3, which is 80 by 3 centimeter. So therefore image is situated at, directly we got the coordinate x comma y, that is 20 by 3 centimeter comma 80 by 3 centimeter. Hope you have understood the problem. Thank you very much. If you are having any doubt, you can post in a comment section straight away.